Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on moving a picture in a PowerPoint presentation. In this lesson you will learn how to reposition an image within your slide with ease and confidence using simple mouse actions. Begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. Take a moment to locate and open the program from your desktop or start menu, ensuring that the software loads completely before you proceed. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the presentation you wish to modify. Whether your file is saved on your computer or stored in an online location, find and open the specific presentation that contains the image you want to move. This is an important step because working in the correct file ensures that any changes you make will be applied exactly where you intend them to be. After opening your presentation, locate the specific slide that includes the picture you are interested in repositioning. When you reach the slide, it is time to interact directly with your content. Using your mouse, click on the picture. This action activates the image, outlining it and providing visual indicators that the picture is ready to be moved. Now that the picture is selected, the next step is to reposition it on the slide. To do this, simply click and hold the mouse button on the image. With the picture activated, drag the image to your desired location on the slide. As you move the mouse, the image will follow the motion, giving you a clear idea of where it will be placed once you release it. This drag and drop action is intuitive and allows for precise control over where the image is positioned. Once you have reached the spot that looks best for your layout, let go of the mouse button to drop the image into place. After releasing the picture, take a moment to review its new position on the slide. Make sure the image is aligned properly and fits well within the overall design of your presentation. This simple yet effective method of moving a picture in PowerPoint is a fundamental skill that can help you easily rearrange and modify your slides. Remember that repositioning elements in your presentation is not only about aesthetics, but also about improving the flow of information and enhancing the clarity of your message. By following these instructions, you can quickly adjust the layout of your slides to best fit your content needs, whether you are preparing a business proposal, an educational lecture, or any other type of presentation. Mastering these basic actions in PowerPoint will bring you one step closer to creating professional and engaging presentations. Enjoy the process of learning and using PowerPoint and feel confident in your ability to modify your presentations to better communicate your ideas.